Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space in your hard disk on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my file explorer here. Let me go ahead and show you. And as you can see in my file explorer, I have 274 gigs left, right? And I can easily go ahead and free up some space on this. And the easiest way how to do this without have to worry about anything is to find your recycle bin on your PC, most likely on your desktop. Right click on that recycle bin and here you have the option to empty. So click on empty recycle bin. As you can see, I have 274 gigabytes free, but once I click empty recycle bin, you're gonna see that it's gonna empty and it's gonna delete some files. Now have a look at that, over 2,481 items in my recycle bin. And once I clear up that, look how much I free up, guys. Look how many gigs I free up. This is the easiest way how to free up space on your hard drive on your Windows PC by emptying your recycle bin. Very easy and very simple.